So today guys, hello, I have a lovely Carmen style villa to show you. We are on Campo Sector B today and we're very near the golf club and the amenities on Sector B here. So let me take you around this beautiful property and show you around. Come with me. So it's just here, this property has got off-road parking and you got a pedestrian gate. Beautiful rendered walls there, raised for privacy with lovely palm trees on. This house is also alarmed, so let me go in. So we're going to go around and just shut this gate. I'm going to show you the off-road parking first. You have lovely manicured gardens here. Now there's your double gates. You've got enough room, I would say, for at least 2 small cars here, easy. Or you could actually fit a big camper in here. So just walk here, at these lovely walkways. And we're going up into the conservatory. Now as you can see, the conservatory has been enclosed for extra accommodation. And just here you've got your slip mats on the stairs, because when the dew comes in the morning, the steps do tend to get quite slippery. You have wardrobes just there, which is great. Loads of storage. Your alarm. And as you can see, you've got central heating in here. As I just walk in, you also have aircon over in the corner there, and you've got ceiling light and fans. Of course, this has been enclosed for extra accommodation, and has a dining area here as well. Just going to pan around now. That goes out onto the terrace, and you've got large double wardrobes there as well. Now this is extra in here, so you have got a bed and everything in here. So this is great if you've got friends or family staying or anything like that. And you could even put a TV down there. So it's like their own little apartment, you know. So just in here is your main door to the property. You have got plenty of top and base units. You've got electric hob, electric oven. You've got your fridge freezer just there. And you've got plenty of top and base units. On the far side, you've got the double sink, dishwasher and washing machine, and again, plenty of top and base units. You got this lovely worktop. I think it's granite. Really nice. Plenty of plug sockets in the kitchen. Now, you have got insect screens and patio doors here with the wreckers. I've just opened that up. And just out here is your dining area. So this dining area has a fridge in here. It also comes, if you remember, those doors there are the enclosed terrace, which houses another table and chairs and a sofa and a bed. So if I pan around, you can see that beautiful terrace out there with the awning. Just above we have a ceiling light and fan, and you have an overhead light just over the doorway there as well. Okay, so I'm going to bring you outside. Once we've done the main house, we'll come back around and we'll go outside and we'll look at that stunning garden. Great relaxation area by the looks of it. So let me take you through. I do like the layouts of these properties. So in here, you've got your central heating, you've got your aircon just there, and your ceiling light and fan above. You've also got a beautiful feature fireplace there, right? And if I just pan around, as you can see, it's dual aspect windows. It's a really nice living space. I'll go over here and just pan around just to give you a feel for that room. It's really lovely. You also have your radiators behind the sofas here as well. You've got records and blanket blinds on the windows, and you've got security locks as well as insect screens. So through this archway, you have some storage overhead and a double wardrobe. And just through here, this doorway here leads to your master bedroom. The master bedroom has patio windows and records out onto that beautiful, amazing pool. You have a radiator in here, and you've got your double bed, switches and sockets on either side. And just above there, you have your aircon. You've also got a ceiling light and fan. I'm just coming up around here now. You are going to catch me in the mirror maybe. So you've got double wardrobes there with mirrored doors on. Just beside that there, right in the corner just there, you have got more switches and sockets as well. So you're not short of plug sockets or anything in here. Now, just in here is your ensuite. It's fully tiled, as you can see. You've got a bath, you've got a WC and a sink and vanity unit. And you have some storage in here as well. Just behind the door of the bedroom, I'm just going to step back a bit. You have got another set of wardrobes with overhead storage. So no short on storage in this property. So straight across, of course, you have another bathroom. It has a shower cubicle in there, frosted glass window. You have a WC, sink and vanity unit in there. And again, it's fully tiled. Now just through here is another beautiful bedroom that goes out onto the pool area. And you have aircon there. You've got a ceiling light and fan above. Beautiful bedroom, really bright and airy. And you have your radiator just there as well. Just going to pan around to show you, you have got your double wardrobes and your overhead storage. So really good size bedrooms and living space in here. So just in here is a single bedroom, but you're able to fit in bunk beds. Okay? And at the end of the room, you have got aircon in here as well. Now I'm just going to pan around and point out to you, you do have central heating in here and a very modern upgraded wardrobe with sliding doors. I do like the layout of these properties, absolutely gorgeous. Now I am going to bring you outside and we're going to have a look around at the outside area. Okay. Now, can't wait to show you this. Go down the steps now. Now I've decided to walk around this way and have a look. Beautiful ornaments in the garden and cacti. Really lovely. And you've got non-slip tiles around here. You have of course got an underbuild just for storage. And you have extra storage here, or we'll have a look inside. So in here is your boiler in this one. And in here is your tank for your central heating. You have, of course, plenty of drainage here as well, so if it rains, the water can go off. And you've got steps up into the garden where the pool area is. Got plenty of established plants and trees. And you've got a shower just there. So look at that. It's a beautiful garden, isn't it? Absolutely stunning. So over the far end, I would assume that is the pool house. But I just want to pan around and let you see. You have your table here for outside dining, and you have lovely loungers all around this pool area. And you got your pool cover up there, and you got storage. You've also got a nice terrace there as well. As you can see, the walls are raised for privacy, so nobody can look in. So it's really perfect home, this. It really is beautiful. Going in here, have a look. So, I was right, there is the pool pump and that kept in here, but there's plenty of storage as well. I'm going to turn that light off. I don't know why the light's on in there. So, really nice. We'll lock that door up. So, lovely area and a lovely terrace. So you have two stairways here, and you have a little gate just there. And I go down here. I love looking at these gardens, absolutely stunning. There's a few steps up. And look at this, guys. This is a lovely area where you can relax and enjoy. This is a little bit shaded down here, but great if you just want to sit out, have a glass of wine and overlook your family in the pool. You also got these patio doors from the bedrooms. It's really beautiful on this lovely decorative terrace. Beautiful house. And of course you've got your barbecue area here. So if you remember, this was the door from the dining room, which came from the kitchen. So I'm going to take you upstairs now, and we have got stairway up to the rooftop solarium. So I'll see you at the top, guys. So up here is great. You've got a nice area if you want to put a hot tub and for storage. Nice area just to keep your washing where the neighbours don't see your smalls. So it's great to have your washing where you can hide it, really, isn't it? And it dries lovely with the breeze. And the views over there with the golf club, absolutely stunning. So let me take you back down. So guys, what do you think of this property? It's really, really beautiful. Raised walls everywhere, very, very private, fantastic pool, lovely areas to lounge and sit in. All around, you've got that off-road parking, and you're on Sector B. You're right in the middle, heart of Campus All there. So you're very close to the local amenities, and you're close to the golf club on Lower C as well. So really beautiful property, this. So if you're interested in the property, do contact info@tolettoseltobuy.com. I will also leave the reference in the title of the video. So when you communicate with them, quote them the reference, and the guys in the office will know which property you're inquiring about. So until the next time, guys, don't forget, please share and like and subscribe and keep my channel going, and maybe you might like to buy me a bottle of water for these hot days. So until the next time, take care.